Welcome back to another product unboxing session. Today we are going to be unboxing a industry first 5 megapixel analog CVI TiOC camera. So with the TiOC, that means we will be including artificial intelligence, active deterrence, and a full color sensor. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the actual camera out, look at the design of the device, and then of course we'll take a look at the features and let's see what it can do. Okay, we have the accessories as always. We have a small user guide and we have a small mounting guide. We have an Allen key for adjusting the device. And we have some wall plugs and screws to mount it to the wall. Okay, let's just get this out of here. Now, the actual camera is IP67 rated, and we have various different illuminators from the front. We have the warm light to be able to assist with the full color sensor at night. We have the red and blue for the active deterrent, and we also have on the underside here, we have the speaker for the siren, and we also have a microphone to be able to hear what is being said or being stated at the actual camera. Now, we also have various different connections. We have the B&C connection, 12 volt DC, and a single alarm input. There's a couple of these particular devices. This is the 5 megapixel version, so the aperture is set to 1.2, and if it's the 8 megapixels, that's set to 1.6. Now, for the actual design, yes, it's very ruggedized, and of course, I think it will in fact actually do very, very well in this analog industry. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to fire up some features, and let's just see what these devices can do. Okay guys, now what we're going to do is we're going to show you some of the features of the analog CVI TiOC cameras. So first of all, we have the warm light. We also have red and blue, which is the active deterrence, and we also have the siren, as well as the ability to upload your own audio file to the analog camera. First of all, I'll show you the warm light. Okay. And the warm light is specifically there to be able to help the full color image at night. So this light will now stay illuminated until sunrise the following day, and it will control a certain amount of strength prior to the environment that's in. Okay. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trigger the red and blue active deterrent lights on this small TiOC turret here. That will go for about 5 seconds or so. And we also have the alarm options as well. So what I'm going to do is I will trigger on this camera here. This will be type 1 audio. About 5 seconds. Type 2 audio. Type 2 is my favorite one. The high frequency, you can hear that at a good distance away. And type 3. Type 2 was definitely for sure my favorite. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on this particular camera that we have the ability to take a audio file. In my case here, I took the audio file mask detection MP3 and I put that on this. So I'm actually going to replace type 1 with please wear your face mask.
Please wear your face mask. Please wear your face mask. Please wear your face mask. Please wear your face mask. Please wear your face.
Excellent. Okay guys, this analog CVI technology, it's going to be perfect for those takeover scenarios where you need to in fact actually keep, you know, like the existing cabling, or maybe there's a cost implementation involved. This will be very, very good technology for many installers out there. Okay, all the best.